Now today, I'd like to introduce this custom-made enamel red 42-stick truck. This truck is equipped with a 266 horsepower wechat engine matched with a 10-speed gearbox. With abundant power and stable climbing performance. It adopts 6 5-point-ton and 16-ton exhausts with wheel reducers, a double layer frame and a 5.1-meter wheelbase. The cargo box measures 6,800 to 2,400 to 1,850 mm, with removable door pillars, and a hydraulic tailgate for easier loading and unloading. When operating the hydraulic tailgate, first check the surrounding safety and the safety latches. Press the flat button gently to lay the tailgate flat. Then adjust the height with the lift button. No standing on the tailgate at any time. After loading and unloading, first lift the tailgate back to its original position. Then fold it against the truck body. Confirm it is securely locked and turn off the power. The truck also comes standard with a brake, cooling water tank, tampoline with poles and a complete set of on-board tools, paired with 10.00R20 tires and an extra spare tire. It ensures safer long-distance transportation and is an excellent choice for efficient logistics. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you are interested in our trucks, please follow us. See you next time!